Good morning, everyone. Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Perkins. While court is in session, please keep your backgrounds quiet and clear. Sit back, wait for your names to be called. Also, if you're in a vehicle, there is no driving while court is in session. Also, there's no talking, eating, drinking, gum chewing, or smoking of any kind. And please remain properly dressed at all times. Thank you. Good morning, Mayor.
Morning.
Okay.
Where you had it to?
That's in your third folder there.
Okay, you put this in the mailbox.
I got you.
Thank you so much.
City of Detroit versus Sherry Gordon Reed, case number SB 1252569, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rachel McRipley appearing on behalf of Sherry Gordon Reed, P76222, and Ms. Reed is present, sitting beside me. Please state your name for the record.
Sherry Gordon Reed.
Okay, good morning to both of you.
Good morning.
Want a trial date for this? Ms. McRipley, does your client want a trial date?
No, Your Honor. Will the prosecutor be in today?
Yeah, he's probably he'll be here. I'll set it aside.
Okay, thank you.
All right. That matter. All right, Mr. Luzano, you have a formal hearing set for 8:30. We're going to give the officer a half-hour grace period. So if they don't show in by 9 o'clock, then we'll call your case and get you out of here, all right? All right, let's move on to O'Rear.
Yes.
Is that O'Rear on the north end?
Yes, sir.
All right. Good morning to you.
Good morning, sir.
The City of Detroit versus William O'Rear, case number SB 1256251, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
I guess that's me, Your Honor. Philip X. Walling, representing William O'Rear.
All right, Mr. O'Rear, can you state your name for the record, please?
Sure. It's William O'Rear III.
All right. As it relates to this, do you have registration and insurance, sir?
Yes.
All right, let's see that. If you can provide the court with those documents, I'll dismiss the tickets.
Okay. Which insurance is it? It's for the 2002 Chevy Cavalier or for the
2002 Chevy Cavalier, but show me some. Mr. Zozel. Zozel, who do you have? Who's your client? All right, we have cured. So essentially, cured your problem, huh?
I got it.
Okay, that insurance is expired.
okay. So I'm under the impression that I needed to show the insurance for during the time that I received that ticket.
Well, let me say this then. That insurance wasn't valid at the time you got the ticket. What I need to see is some current insurance. That's what I'm concerned about at this point.
Oh, okay. And all right. I don't have that car anymore. I got another car, 2007 Ford.
All right, can you show me some insurance for that?
Yes. Oh, my insurance paper. Okay, no, I don't have that one.
Want to come back and bring me some current insurance and registration on the next court date?
Yeah, yes.
All right, we're going to set another pre-trial date for September the 9th, 2022 at 8:30 a.m. You bring that in here, we'll dismiss.
Okay, yes.
So I need current registration and insurance.
Okay, yes.
All right, have a great day, sir.
All right, thank you.
Mr. Zozel?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who's your client?
Luziamo, Luzayamo.
All right, we're gonna wait until, give the officer a half-hour grace period. So they'll be in at, they should be here by 9. If they're not here by 9, we'll get you and your client out of here.
Thank you.
All right. Shanita Lockwood.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, good morning to you, ma'am.
Good morning.
City of Detroit versus Shanita Unique Lockwood, case number SP 1248272, counts 1 and counts 2, and SP 1248273. Appearance
Yes.
for the record.
Philip Walling representing Ms. Lockwood.
Yes.
All right. We have state your name for the record, ma'am, please.
Tatia, SHONTIA, last name Lockwood, LOCKWOOD.
Will you sit here and let me keep mispronouncing your name?
It's Shantia.
All right,
Not
you should have said something. All right, we need some offers.
I'm sorry.
We need to get an offer for your case. We need some offers from the city attorney, and we were waiting on an offer for Wharton Reed.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
You said there was an offer?
Not yet. Ms. Lockwood,
We're waiting on offers.
Oh, okay.
make sure you have your insurance and registration in your hands for when we're ready to go, okay?
Okay. Now I have one question. I have insurance the state shows that I had insurance when I got the ticket, when I received the ticket, and I have it now. But I do not have.
We want insurance for the current vehicle you're driving now.
Question with that, I don't have the actual copy. I have a copy on my phone where it's under my wallet with Apple. So if I was to get pulled over, I would be able to show them on my phone.
Judge, you can take it from there because I don't know how to do the phone thingy, you know. We'll work it out.
I'm sorry.
Can you email it to me?
Oh,
I
good.
sure can. Yes, I can. And this is what is down here at the bottom that you just pinned.
Yeah, don't do that when I spelled it wrong.
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay, 1 second. Let me get a pen.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr.
Goss,
Good morning, Mr. Goss.
Good morning,
Oh.
Mr. Wiley, Ms. Ripley.
Okay.
Attorney
Okay,
Zoe Rosa.
Okay, I'm ready when you are.
I sent it to you in the chat.
Okay.
The second one is the one.
Mr. Goss, while you're there,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Lockwood is sending us insurance and registration on her current vehicle. There is one other charge, a civil infraction for con zone 273. Will you dismiss that upon all of those upon receipt of proper documentation for no insurance and improper disposable plate?
And I can also,
I'm taking care of business, Ms. Lockwood.
What was the third charge again?
We got a no insurance, improper disposable plate. So she's going to show us a registration and con zone 273. So if she has her paperwork, I was hoping you dismiss all three.
Okay, let me find out what's con zone for.
I don't know, it's a civil infraction of some sort. I'm
Right,
sure it's a construction zone violation of some sort.
right, and I'm definitely not keen on dismissing construction zone matters because it's so unsafe for workers.
Well, I understand that, except it doesn't indicate that she did anything wrong other than happen to be in a construction zone with no insurance and an improper disposable plate. There isn't a speeding kicker or a reckless kicker or a careless.
Yes. Let me correct you. It's 16 to 20 over in a construction zone.
Never mind. Never mind. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Did you get that, Mr. Goff?
Front antenna 75 miles per hour plate, worn, unavailable to see state, no obstruction on speed, in INS expiration, insurance expired 5/11/2021, Hartford.
Okay, what is, so Officer Turner wrote the ticket.
Charles Turner.
Right.
I'm the improper display of plate, you know, I have an improper display of plate. My plate is the paint is that's coming off the plate. And I had to go to the Secretary of State. The only thing it's gonna do is gonna mess me up because all my parking apps and stuff like that, I have to go in and change them. Plus I have to go set a date to get into the Secretary of State. I believe that's what they're talking about here as far as it says Warren unavailable to see state. So, I mean, that's like almost like the state's fault. They should use some better paint. But anyway, the no insurance, I believe she's gonna send me some documentation that she has insurance. The only other thing.
I'm sorry.
You love to talk, don't you? Don't you?
I do.
Your attorney, why don't you become a lawyer? Your attorney's doing some good job for you. He was trying his best to get that construction zone ticket to go away. He was trying his best. But anyway, I'll let you know when I receive that insurance. Let me see if I receive that. Yeah, let me go in here. I'll let you know when I receive the notice of insurance. So go ahead, Counselor. What's your appearance on the record, Mr. Goss?
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goss, P60162, behalf of the people. Your Honor, can you pull a driver's record?
That's what I was just gonna suggest, yes.
All right, we'll pass that matter. Ms. McRipley and Mrs. Gordon Reed need an offer as well. I have an allowing, and this is, let's go back on the record with Ms. Sherry and Gordon Reed. I have an allowing, a defective brake light, and a defective windshield. It says on the remarks here, unless Miss, I don't know how they prove it, unless Miss Gordon Reed told on herself. It says Miss Reed allowed her daughter to drive a vehicle above both brake lights out, cracked windshield. Ticket was issued to driver Miss Bunches and for false info to police. So that's what the nature of this allegation is.
Can I get a breakout room with Attorney McRipley?
Yes,
You
please.
certainly-
All right. And by the way, good morning, Miss Williams Law. Good morning, Miss Mathis.
I'm in court.
All right, so I'm gonna put you in a breakout room
Mr. Goff.
with the lawyer. And we'll run this Lockwood's license from the police. And then we're gonna move on to the next person. What do they say? You don't talk, you just might walk. That's my bit of advice for today. So, Ms. Griffin, you ready to talk?
Yes, sir.
She's ready to talk. I just told her, don't talk, she just might walk.
Well, I had to answer.
She's done talking now, Your Honor.
Okay, all right, I hope so. All right. She's got a very good driving record, Miss Lockwood does. All right. All right, let's move on. The pronunciation of your first name is Tarin.
It's Taryn.
Taryn, all right, sorry about that. City of Detroit versus Taryn Griffin, case number SP 1317488, count 1, count 2. Appearance for the record, please. Good morning. Mr. Goss is on.
Philip-
Perfect.
Philip Walling representing Taryn Griffin, although on the docket, I only have one count.
I have a no insurance and a unregistered untitled.
Okay,
So, let's give her an opportunity to produce some valid insurance and registration.
Okay. I have the valid registration here. That it was registered at the point of pullover. And with the insurance, I actually printed off 2 copies of the registration. I also have that in my phone. I tried to catch that email address, but I came up short towards the end. I've got Sean Perkins at 36 District Court, and was that it?
No, I've got my copy of 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
It always should be in the chat. Just hit the chat button again. If it goes off, hit the chat button again.
I was trying to find that.
Yep, so it'll come back and populate itself.
Okay. I'll send that right now.
Is this a good time for me to put my complaint on the record, Judge?
What's your complaint?
That,
He's got at least one complaint every time. Let's
you
hear.
know, again, you have information that is not on the docket. I'm doing the best I can, but I don't have the same information where you all.
Let me see what's on the document. Okay, so.
We can get through it, Judge, but I think it's just something that needs to go on the record.
I got you. I mean, fine. I always allow you to make your record.
Right.
And I see it now.
Right.
I see it. But this is, these are things, you're a seasoned lawyer. So you get things that come at you from all different angles, and you always have a prompt and an articulate response to it every time. So when I see no insurance that's on the docket, and then I call an unregistered untitled that's not on the docket, Philip X. Walling can handle that with that's easy work for a Philip X. Walling.
Philip X. Walling can handle just about anything the 36th District Court could throw at him. The problem is, Judge, I don't know where that ball's coming from. Is it coming from left field or is it coming from the pitching mound? I don't know because it's not on the docket. That's the only thing I want to put on the record is we can resolve this issue. The court is informing me. Thank you very much. But there is a basic issue here that the court, the prosecutor, is working on information that I do not have available to me. Now, the court has informed me there's another charge. Ms. Griffin is going to send documentation to the court that should handle both these matters. I'm happy, but the fact of the matter is that second charge is not on today's docket. So I'm kind of at an disadvantage. We can motor on, but I'm kind of at a disadvantage. And that's all I wanted to put on the record.
And Dante Goss, for the people, Your Honor, just for the record, the people do not have the same information as the court. We find out the exact same time as defense counsel regarding any additional matters. So, Mr. Wally, we are both on the same playing field regarding that.
With the exception that when you are there live and personal, you're there live and personal. I don't have that option. But that's...
Yes, you do actually have the option. You can always come down to the court, Mr. Wally, and meet me in the courtroom. Maybe we can do all the cases from the court.
As much as I'd love to see you live and personal, Mr. Goss.
All right, so he's negating your argument now, Mr. Walling.
Of course he
You're
is.
taking it upon yourself to sit back in your nice, comfortable home. You can have, he's putting he's throwing a little salt on your argument there. And
Your Honor, that's a lot of salt.
Ms. Lockwood, you really want to get in this conversation, don't you? You see what a P number gets you. You can talk on and on. You can talk on and on too if you want to, but I'm sure Mr. Walling would advise you not to.
Not at this juncture, absolutely, I'd advise her not to.
So, all right, so let's go ahead with, I did receive your documentation, and now I have received Ms. Griffin's documentation. So, Counselor, and this is to, now, Ms. Griffin, this documentation is expired as well.
Well, I have the current one.
Let me finish. I mean, I got a good lawyer and y'all don't want to, however, the documentation does cover the time let's discuss Ms. Griffin's case since we're on the record. the documentation does cover the time that she got the infraction. It does cover that time. So, Mr. Goss, and what about the registration?
Talking to me?
Yes.
Yes, I just sent that. I sent that after the fact. So if you check your email, there should be one more with both proofs all together.
Okay. So, Mr. Goss, what do you want to do? Mrs. Griffin? Got an unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor. Show me.
We could dismiss with proper documentation, Your Honor, if the second one comes through.
For those of you within the sound of my voice and you're sending us documents, it would be extremely helpful for you to send the documents you are currently driving. Something with your name on it, something that is for today's vehicle.
Yeah, and because that's the overriding thing that we're looking for is really, do you have current insurance? And I'll accept the older one because it did happen at the time of the incident.
I have both. I have everything you need, sir. So if
Did
you want me
anybody
to
ask Ms. Griffin?
I can sit right.
They love to talk.
You know, I feel like a third base coach trying to get the runner to hold the third.
Yeah, you can't get them to stop. They're all going home. So, all right, we're gonna dismiss your matter, Ms. Griffin, for providing valid documentation. I did receive a copy of the registration. All right.
Thank you so much.
Hey, Ms. Griffin, you want?
Come back to Detroit and visit us again. All right.
Pat, I got one more question. So
Uh-huh.
for that, so what they did at the last court date, they what Mr. Wallen was talking about. Well, they told me that the court date was on the 14th, and later on, I got something in the mail that it was split up. The charges were one was today, and then the other one was Thursday. So with us getting all of this taken care of today for both issues, I don't have to report on Thursday morning.
You don't.
Okay.
All right.
Well, thank you so much.
All right. Very well. Have a great day, man. Good luck to you.
You too.
All right. All right. Let's let's go back on the record with so let's go back on the record with Ms. Locke. Counselor Ms. Lockwood is providing me with insurance. Now, this insurance that she provided me is under Keys and not Lockwood.
Because my insurance is under my grandmother's name, but my car is registered. Everything is registered in my name.
Yeah, you might want to check that, ma'am. That might not be very good for you.
Everybody on break now?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Hold on, who's ever on that phone has to keep quiet. I'll keep quiet on me. All right, so Mr. Goss, are you there?
Yes, I am.
Okay, I have a driver's license for Miss Lockwood, and it has absolutely no blemishes on it at all. So what's the offer gonna be? I do have the copies of insurance.
Okay. All right.
I don't know if the diamond level is bigger than the platinum level. Which one would you say is more distinguished, platinum or diamond?
Well, diamonds are a girl's best friend, Your Honor.
I know that. I'm sure it's my best friend too.
Your Honor, it would be a limited access 6 to 10, Your Honor. My biggest concern is you
got a stinger, don't you? You got a stinger.
It's the construction zone, Your Honor.
You make me waste paper. You make me waste paper in printing a driver's license on an offer that you would have probably given without
No,
reading the
not
record.
not at all, because the construction zone, if it wasn't a construction zone, I would have went down to blockading. But the construction zone really has me concerned for speeding in the construction zone.
All right, so that's the offer, 6 to 10, that's 1 point on your driver's license, it's gonna be $135. So you'll have a blemish on your record now if you take that deal. You have an absolute right to a trial now. I can put you in the breakout room with Mr. Philip X. Welling if you want to discuss the matter. What would you like to do?
I hate that I have a point. I'm getting a point on my driver's record because this will be the first point that I have. So I am going to take it.
All right, well, I'm sure this will teach you a lesson now. I guess that's what it's all about, right? All right.
And how do I go about paying the ticket?
Any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit or come down to the court, grace us with your presence and pay it in person.
I'm sorry, say that again.
I said, any div that kiosk in the city of Detroit, or you can come down to the court and grace us with your presence and pay it in person.
Okay, will you guys send something in the mail, or how do I go about here?
I'm gonna give you the information now.
Okay.
Let's get the formalities taken care of. Mr. Walling, will your client stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for the responsible plea?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna find your client responsible to the amended count of limited access, 6 to 10. That's gonna be $135. 124-82721. And with stipulation of probable cause, I'll dismiss the other matters.
So stipulated.
All right, I'm gonna dismiss SP 124-82722 and SP 124-82731. All right, when can you pay, ma'am?
1 second, let me look at the calendar.
Can you pay within 14 days, ma'am?
Yes, I can. I can actually pay it on the 22nd, Friday.
I'll give it till 7/26/2022 to pay it. Now you can just put in your name in the DivDat kiosk, and that should populate. Give my clerk a minute to get that into the system. So by this afternoon, you should be able to pay that. Or you come down and give your name, and either or, whatever. And I'm told that you can upload that DivDat kiosk to your phone as well. All right.
Can you say that last part? You said what about the phone?
I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, the DIVDAT.
Okay.
All right.
Can you say that one more? Can you repeat that one more time? You said D?
DIVDAT.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
There's nothing further, ma'am. Have a very good day.
Okay, you as well.
Okay, who's on the phone at 313-765-7266? You can press *6 to unmute yourself. Littleton, I got you. Yeah, who's that? Good morning to you.
Good morning, it's Rosalind Leon.
Say that again.
It's Rosalind Leon.
Rosalind Lee Young, okay.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Your Honor, I don't mean to jump in here, but we're ready on Gordon Reed.
Oh, yes, let's go back on the record with, you do mean to jump in. That's exactly what you meant to do, right?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Sherry Ann Gordon Reed. Ms. Reed, I've given your counsel an opportunity to speak with counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what, did you get some kind of resolution?
Your Honor, Dante Goss for the people. At this time, we're moving to dismiss these matters.
Thank you.
Okay. 9, 1, 2, and 3. I know I didn't hear any objection from defense.
No objection, Your Honor.
With that, your case is gonna be dismissed. You see how easy it is, Ms. Gordon Reed, when you hire a
Yes.
very good.
Thank you.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Good
You
luck to you.
too. Thank you.
You too. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Goff.
Thank you, Ms. Goss.
You're welcome.
Don't put your dismissal pencil away, Dante.
Hey, Phil, I'm about to get off right now. So if you need me,
No, don't get out right now. We got Mr. Zoll client. Let's get this going.
that's the state ticket. That's state ticket, Your Honor.
All right, let's do that then. They're not here. All right, let's, can I get the correct pronunciation of your client's name? Sir, can you give me the correct pronunciation of your name?
Do you need the first and last name together?
Please.
The first name is Anel Marlon.
Anen Marlon,
Yes.
okay, and the last name?
Luzayamo.
Luzayamo.
Mhm.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Anen Marlon, Luzayamo, case number SX 395-60631. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, my name is Paul Zosel, Z-O-S-E-L, P22757 on behalf of Mr. Luciano.
Okay, today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in the matter. The Zero Officer or State Trooper Jared Owens. State Trooper Jared Owens, hearing no response. Go ahead, Mr. Zoll.
Your Honor, I move to dismiss without prejudice.
Okay, the case is gonna be dismissed for no officer.
Thank you.
Nothing. You and your client have a very good day.
Same to you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye, Phil.
Bye, Paul.
Bye.
Your Honor, did you get my check?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Phil, I'll see you later.
Okay.
All right, let's move on to Rosalind Lee Young.
Yes, I'm here, sir.
All right, this is a simple one too. This is the city of Detroit versus Rosalind Tatia Lee Young, case number SP 119. Tatiana, okay, sorry about that, SP 11903-101. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip X. Walling representing Rosalind Lee Young. State your name, ma'am.
Rosalind Lee Young.
Tatiana Lorraine. All right.
You want me to say the whole thing?
Yeah, I mean, not necessarily. I just said the whole thing because it blocks off. That's why I didn't get the Tatiana right, because it blocks off on one screen. When I pull it up on another screen, now I see the whole name. So, all right, ma'am. Do you have, where are you? Oh, you're on the phone, so you can't show me current insurance or registration there.
No, I actually, the registration, I gotta look for it in the car, but my insurance, my car broke down like a couple days after, and it's just sitting in the backyard since.
I didn't do any
It
of that.
won't start.
As for purposes of arraignment, counselor,
Purposes of arraignment, Your Honor, we're going to stand mute and ask the court to enter a not guilty plea.
okay, I'll enter not guilty plea in your client's behalf. I'll give her a $0 bond. Now, you were saying about this insurance, do you have a vehicle now, ma'am?
I still have it, but it's been in the backyard ever since. Like, I can even show the pictures. It look like it's been moved. My car won't start. I don't know what's wrong with it, to be honest.
Well,
I
what
even
about,
told the people that
where's Mr. Goss?
Remember, he left.
No, he's supposed to still be here. Where's Mr. Goss? I told him to hold on.
Mr. Meyer, judges on record.
All right. Mr. Goss,
Yes, Your Honor.
you put your appearance on the record, please.
Dante Goss, behalf of the people.
All right, this young lady, Miss Lee Young, has one ticket, a no insurance misdemeanor. She indicates to the court that she still has the vehicle, but it's held up in her backyard and it will not start. She does not know what's wrong with it. So I'm assuming she hasn't been driving it, because if it doesn't start, she can't drive, right? So what do you want to do for Miss Lee Young?
I would dismiss this time, Your Honor, but if she comes back with another ticket, she's going to plead charge for no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay, you understand that, ma'am? So if that car gets back on the road, well, you need to insure that vehicle, okay?
Yes, sir.
This will be your one-time deal, all right? I'm gonna waive the warrant fee.
Yes, sir.
All right, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
I have an officer, Kimberly Crofton. No, Crofton. She said she was on Zoom, but she got butted out, but she was trying to reconnect. She can't. Did you lock the Zoom?
All right, at that 270-560-8448, I got an officer that's about to check in too, Mr. Augustus. Can you press *6 to unmute yourself, please?
Let me let you down his telephone. I'm gonna give you the telephone. Because like you gotta be a president. You're trying to connect.
All right, Alexis Littleton,
I got
we're
you.
waiting on the
I got you.
here, so we're waiting on the
Ready?
officer
929.
to show up. If the officer shows.
28.
Chad Field.
Enter the meeting.
We got another 17 minutes or so.
It's saying that because anytime you need to connect to a Zoom meeting, you can dial it.
Paid the defective brake lights ticket already.
28.
Probably would have gotten that.
You're gonna dial it. It's gonna say it's gonna want you to.
All right, let's, who's on 270-560-8448? Press *6 to unmute yourself, please.
You just can't see.
270-560-8448. Press *6 to whoever called in on that phone, press *6 to unmute yourself. Already.
She said she was. She put her in the breaking room.
Yeah,
She
and
lost
she
the
talked.
neck.
And
She
the
lost-
officer, oh, good morning.
Hi, Miss Mathos. Hi, good morning.
And the
How's it
officer, she sent me a note regarding,
She said she got booted out.
no, Mark, Officer Smith. Officer Smith.
Morning, Crystal.
That's Dante.
Hey Dante, what are you doing here?
I'm leaving now since you're there.
Aren't you taking the day off?
Yes.
4 days off.
The judge Perkins won't let me take any days off.
4 days off.
What are you talking about, Dante? You need to work remotely.
Yeah. already spoke to the judge regarding one of the matters set for trial, but the defendant hasn't even checked in yet. So, but that's it. That's all that's going on right now.
Are
So,
there any officers for me to talk to?
Ms. Kimberly Cochran is supposed to sign in, but she's, I thought she was in the breakout room. But, she's having trouble signing in. That's for Mario Griffin as well. And that's pretty much the only officer, and then the other officer, Smith, did not have any recollection. And then let's get back to 270-560-8448. One last time. You have to press *6 on your phone to unmute yourself. *6 on your phone to unmute yourself, please. All right, I'm gonna remove you from the room. You're gonna need to call back in the same way you did.
okay, Your Honor, I am leaving.
All right, thank you.
Y'all have a good day.
You have a better one. Thank you.
All right, see you, Ms. Williams Law. See you, Ms. Mathis.
Bye, Dante.
All right, see you, Phil.
All right, Officer Cochran made it back.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor.
We're gonna give Griffin an opportunity to present himself.
Yes, Your Honor. I have a quick question. I know you put me in a breakout room before with there was an attorney, but I'm not sure who it was with. They were asking about Mr. Griffin with another officer. Is there able, or am I able to go in a breakout room with that attorney again?
Well, you'll go to, he's gone now. We have another city attorney in here now, and when I'll give you an opportunity to speak with
I know
her
what you
at
call.
the
And
time
I'm not
when she
entering
gets signed in,
it.
if necessary, because if he doesn't show up, then it's.
Call me.
Okay.
probably-
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah. Bye. Excuse me.
overrated.
You say it's overrated. You probably right, 'cause it was
Last
bad.
name is Griffin, first name
But
is
it was just
Mario.
odd.
All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Lexus Littleton. Case number is SP 116059, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Walling representing Lexus Littleton.
All right, Mr. Littleton, I need to, or I need to see Littleton's face. I think it's the lowest, so I think it's Miss Littleton. I need to see you, ma'am.
Yes, my camera doesn't work. My phone is broke.
That's what they all say. All right, go ahead, Mr. Mr. Walling. Today is the date and time set for a trial, and it would have been set for a formal hearing as well, except for the fact that it seems like Ms. Littleton has already paid the related civil infraction to the defective brake lights. But is there a Fields, Chad Fields, Officer Chad Fields? I didn't hear a response. Mr. Walling?
Well, since today's the trial date, Your Honor, I would move to dismiss as the officer has failed to appear.
Okay, I am going to grant your motion to dismiss based on no officers presence, all right? All right, Mr. Littleton, if there's nothing further, you have a very good day, okay?
You as well. Thank you.
We're gonna give that other person about another 25 minutes or so, Mario Griffin, to show up and see if he shows. If not, we'll call the cases.
I'm assuming our mysterious phone caller has not showed back up.
No, that could have been Mario Griffin there, but we could not get them to unmute themselves. So we'll wait.
Sure.
It's gonna be a national thing.
Okay. We have Wayne County Jail. Who's that? Good morning to you.
Hey, good morning, Judge. Hope you and your staff are well. This is Darius Lanier.
Darius Lanier.
Yes, Judge.
Good morning to you and thank you. And let's call the case. Let me see here. He's on our docket today. Good morning, Mr. Lanier.
Good morning.
On 9 a.m. trial. All right, this is the city of Detroit versus Darius Lanier, case number U515-60719 and U515-82219. Appearance for the record, please.
Philip Walling, representing Darius Lanier. State your name, please, Darius.
Darius Lanier.
Okay. I thought today was the date and time set for a trial. However, it's listed here as a pre-trial.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's see if we can get you an offer, Mr. Lanier. Obviously you're incarcerated now. You have an absolute right to a trial.
All right.
So you have an absolute right to a trial. Mr. Walling, these are two tickets written on two separate days back in 2019. Trespassing at Henry Ford High School. One is on the 17th and one is on the 25th.
Can you enlighten me on the 250 feet of school?
That's, I'm gonna just give you the ordinance numbers that they're written under. I mean, you are, let's see. I have one ordinance number being 38-7. C. Doesn't sound right.
And I'm sorry, Judge, I left my copy of the Detroit Municipal Code at my other office.
I'm looking it up now.
Thank you. Mr. Lanier, how long you been there in jail?
14 months.
Okay, this one here doesn't appear that it's actually written correctly. I do have the city attorney here. She can add in, but under 38, that is the rental halls and banquet facilities. And I don't think they're calling Henry Ford High School a rental hall or banquet facility. So I'll let her see that one, and I'm gonna send you a copy of this as well. On the other one, it's written under the 38-2. So maybe this was written under the old code because it's 2019. What do you want to offer, Mr. Lanier? First, we'll start off with that.
Can I just see the?
Yes, there's a 5. So
Mr. Lanier, are you in jail for some other reason other than these tickets?
Yes.
Is your matter pending, or are you, is it over and done with and you're under sentence?
No, it's pending.
What are you charged with, sir?
1st degree homicide.
Okay.
he's also got, well, are you in the Wayne County Jail? Yeah, Wayne County Jail.
Yes.
Is that this assault and battery? It's last year on July the 10th, the allegation was made.
Yeah. No, that's not that. Oh.
So you have another pretrial date on that on 7/14. So in 2 days, you got another pretrial date.
Can we have that pulled for now, Judge?
Which one is that?
The one that's scheduled for the 14th?
That's under, no, that's under Judge Bryant. So that,
Oh,
that would be
okay. Okay.
Can you hear me if I talk there? Where's the?
right. Go up to the screen.
The screen? Okay. Hi, Attorney Walling.
Yo.
Hi, can you hear me? This is Crystal. I'm in the
Yes, I
courtroom.
can hear you.
Hello. So I don't know what you want to do. Our standard offer would be 1-for-1 delayed sentence. I'm fine with a 3-month. Or if you want to dismiss upon payment.
Well, he's not paying nothing and he's not going anywhere. He's been in jail
Okay.
for 14 months.
Okay, so the other option would be if you want to adjourn this after the other matter is,
No, well, no, the other option it'll be to set a trial date.
that's fine too.
Well, let me.
I think this is a matter here, I mean, to set a trial date, these are 2019 tickets, so, and they're trespassing. And we have a gentleman that just told us that he's in, locked up on 1st-degree homicide.
Can I get
I'll let you speak with him, Mr. Walling, in the breakout room.
I think I need more to speak with the city attorney before I speak
Yeah,
to.
I can. I'll go on Zoom, Attorney Walling.
That'd be great.
Okay.
All right.
morning, Judge. I just wanted to see if you had needed me for any state matters.
I'm sorry, APA Cole, I did recognize you on there. Good morning to you. There was one state matter set for a trial or a formal hearing. I think it was just formal hearing, and the officer did not show up. That was Lexus Littleton. No, that was not Lexus Littleton. That was the Lizuyamo. It was
Give
just
me the officer's name or trooper's name, please.
Gerald Owens.
Okay.
Jerad Owens.
Jerad Owens. Okay. Thank you. Will call me.
Set for 8:30.
Okay.
I will next time make sure that I text you in the morning when I see that, but I did not see that that was a state trooper until we called the case. I should have known for the X in front of the thing. So I'll let you know next time.
Oh, I appreciate that. Thank you.
Thank you for checking on us.
Always.
All right. Mr. Plumpy. Mr. Plumpy, you need to unmute yourself.
Mr. Lanier,
Yes,
do you have a record of any kind, sir?
juvenile.
Juvenile, okay. Do you have a, Mr. Lanier, do you have a trial date scheduled yet?
No.
Do you say something, Mr. Walling?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm waiting on the city attorney. She mentioned she was gonna zoom in.
Well, yeah, I wanted a private moment with her
Yeah,
momentarily.
I got you. I'll make sure that happens. All right, let's get Officer Cochran on her way. Officer
Okay.
Cochran, can you unmute yourself and turn your video on, please? All right. Good morning. This is the city of Detroit versus Mario Griffin. Case numbers SP 11863971, SP 1244306, SP 9627921, SP 9911874, counts 1 and counts 2, 18384670, counts 1 and counts 2, 18453964, 1, 19507384, counts 1 and counts 2, 2072077, count 1, 2, and 2, U 543771118, SP 11479968, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name's Philip Walling, representing Mario Griffin.
All right, can you put your appearance on the record, Officer Cochran?
Yes, Your Honor. Officer Kimberly Cochran, badge number 2325 of the Detroit Police Department.
And what precinct is that, ma'am?
It's gonna be at a downtown services.
Obviously, Mr. Walling, I'm sure you don't have any reason for your client's absence, because you probably have never spoken to him.
That is correct, Your Honor. You know, it's amazing to me, he would have had, oh God, what of his 20 or so cases, he would have had all but 2 dismissed.
Oh, 2, and probably those 2 as well. I don't know, did you have any recollection of this incident, Officer Cochran?
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, you did? Okay, well, that may not have gotten dismissed, but he would have come out of here, but it's still a very good deal. All right, I am going to issue a failure to appear warrant. We'll make it a $0 bond. If there's nothing further, Officer Cochran, you be safe out there, and let's see if we can locate him.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a very nice day.
All right, sir.
This is kind of process. Just like this is streamlines, it like makes it. No, I think it's, I mean, I personally think it's a good idea, but you have people that are stuck in the old. I think a lot of stuff is streaming.
Did Plumpy sign out, Your Honor?
Yes, he did.
I was wondering if he represented Mr. Lanier.
No, Mr. Lanier is represented by used to be a prosecutor. Let's see. On the other case. used to be, Nicole James. All right. Mrs. Young, gone again. She's been signing in and out. That's Lee Young. We dismissed her ticket.
Right.
All right. So that's on the one case. On the other case with Judge Ryan, I don't see an attorney of record on that case at all.
Okay.
And of course, on these cases, there's more than likely no attorney of record.
With Judge Bryant case, the Michigan defendants represent,
Michigan, yeah.
I mean, misdemeanor.
Yeah,
Excuse me.
Corey Whited is the officer that wrote the ticket back in 2019. I don't know if you know that officer or not, Mr. Bowman. And then Amir Hegler is another officer that wrote the other two.
He got to be devastated. The fact that he also. That's just sad. And I'm sure he was in his 20s to some.
No, he's in his early.
Okay. That's good he won't be doing those bills, because what I don't like is this.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Lanier, we have two choices.
You want to go and break up with him, Mr. Walling?
You know, that might be the lawyerly thing to do, yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room, Mr. Lanier. They're gonna have to join that room for you.
Be there in a sec.
I'm sorry.
Before I go, Judge, you have no problem with the credit for time served as it stands right now, correct?
I have no problem with that.
Thank you.
volume.
Attorney Wallace, can you hear the court?
Yes.
Okay, the judge that took a little small recess. He'll be right back, okay?
Okie dokie.
All right.
Hello.
Hey, the judge took a little recess.
I'm so sorry. I took the file.
No, you're fine. We know you were trying to work it out. So that's the docket for today.
Oh, okay, thanks. Are there files for tomorrow?
Yes, you see that little short stack on that table for the 13th? Yes.
Thank you.
That's Southwest Court.
Oh, shoot. Okay.
No, I mean, you can, that's the right stack. I just wanted to tell you what it was for tomorrow. You know how you do like the
Tomorrow's
Southwest.
Wednesday. This is Thursday.
Yeah, tomorrow is Wednesday. So tomorrow is Southwest Community.
This is Thursday.
Well, it shouldn't say nothing. It should be for the 13th.
Are you sure this is Southwest? Because these are not.
Oh, you know what? I'm sorry. It's behind you right there.
Oh, okay.
Because I was gonna organize it first.
Okay.
Want me to organize it?
No, that's fine.
Want a calendar for tomorrow?
Sure.
Yes, I'll do that.
I'll do what I can, and if there's pieces missing,
No,
I'll
let's
just-
see. Tomorrow is the 13th. Let me see that. Second.
Oh,
I always want to organize.
that's okay. I mean,
Because it just seems like it would just be so easier. Yeah, thank you.
yeah.
Okay, we're ready to go?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Darius Lanier.
Let me organize.
I've given everybody an opportunity to speak regarding the case. What does your client want to do, Mr. Walling?
Judge, at this time, my client wishes to continue his not guilty plea. We're asking this court to set these matters for a bench trial via Zoom.
Okay. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lanier?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to set a trial date 9/9/2022 at 9 a.m. That's September 9th, 2022 at 9 a.m. All right?
All
I
right.
imagine the jail is going to make sure that your presence is here, Mr. Lanier.
All right.
All right, well, we'll make sure that put it on the file. All right, good luck to you, sir. I'll see you back on September 9th, all right?
All right.
Have a great day.
Good luck, Mr. Lanier.
Yes.
Thank you, Phil.
You're welcome, Crystal. Thank you.
I'll be back.
Okay, I'm just gonna